Hello friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Jagdish. In this video, we will discuss about schedule apex. Instead of invoking the batch job manually, we can make it as schedule which will run on the specified time. Run the task on daily, weekly or monthly basis by using schedule apex. Let's see the syntax of schedule apex. Public class name implements schedulable. After that, method is execute public void execute schedulable contains. After that, write here code of schedulable apex. How we can implement schedule apex? Let's see one example. Open your developer console. After that, create one apex class. Write class name daily of processor 1. Class is successfully created. After that, write here implements schedulable. Method is execute public void execute schedulable contains ctx. After that, I'm right here list of opportunity list name is hop list. After that, here I'm right query select id lead source from opportunity where lead source equals to null, limit is 200. Here I'm right query for opportunity object where lead source is null and limit is 200. After that, here I am write iterable statement for opportunity of list of object is OPP list of dot lead source equals to web. Here I am assign lead source equals to web and update this opportunity. Here I am write if of list is not equal to, or we can say of list is not empty, then update record to opportunity list. Save this. Okay. After that, in quick find, search here apex class classes. Click here apex classes. After that, new, not new. Here we can see schedule apex option is here. Click on schedule apex. After that, write here job name. Write here job name run opportunity process daily basis, and here choose apex class daily of processors 1. Select this. After that, frequency weekly, monthly. Here I am select weekly. After that, I am choose here Sunday, Monday, Friday, Saturday. After that, we can see here start date and end date is here. Also, we can set here preferred start time and select here 12 a.m. After that, save this apex class. Okay, after that, search here apex jobs and open. Now here we can see that here apex class is daily of processors 1 and status is queue. In this way we can create schedule apex. Please like video and subscribe my channel for upcoming video. Thanks for watching.